Hi, today I'm going to show you what you should keep in mind when importing and exporting SAP Build Process Automation projects. You can export project from the SAP Build lobby. If you have more than one version, you will be asked which one you want to use. If you want to go from the development environment to the test or product environment, you naturally take the most up-to-date version. This is now in my download folder. Now I can change the build lobby to the test or product environment. There I import the corresponding file. But please note that if I choose the deployed version, I can't change anything there. So if I notice an error, I have to adjust it in the development environment and do the whole process again. You can recognize this by the released at the top of the head area. This way you can be sure there is no difference between the environments. Please also note the following. If you upload the project to another BTP, make sure that the destinations are all the same. Otherwise, stories like actions in SAP Build Process Automation will not work. It's best to keep it in one SAP BTP and then it will work. If you want to change something in your project after importing, you can of course use the editable version. I hope these insights help you. See you next time.